Good morning. Oh, yan. Ayun, pisman mo.
Where's the water?
Walang water. No water. Fish? No fish.
Yeah.
Come.
I miss
Ayan, malinis na. Pinalinis ko. Ayan. Ah,
now you did not clean.
you get it. If this one, she can clean. Diyan ka lang, you stay here. Ayan. Diyan ka lang, you stay. Ayan, mga kababayan ko. Good morning. First day on the Philippines. Clean his backyard na manggahan. Ayan. Wait. Ayan. Ayan si Bibi Katkat. Ayan, oh. Malinis na. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo. I'm here in the Philippines for vacation.
Clean.
Yeah.
This is not clean.
What do you want? Yeah. Yeah.